Hi, East Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. All right, our sports anchor Ashley Moore said it best. Happy holidays. Yeah, it's like the holidays around here with high school football kicking off officially Thursday night and really getting underway on Friday. So I'm starting this CBS 19 weather update with a look at the under the lights forecast. Friday night, 7:30, a lot of games going on. Remember, we've got our special pregame show at 6:30 on CBS 19, followed by a full hour of highlights beginning at 10 and then streaming from 10:30 until 11 on CBS 19 Plus. So you can get all the up-to-date scores and the pregame hype that goes along with Beast Texas high school football. All right, let's take a look at that forecast for tomorrow night. 7 o'clock, 85 degrees. Mostly sunny skies. There are a couple of showers showing up in some of the data over deep East Texas. So at 7 to 7:30, there could be, prior to kickoff in deep East Texas, a couple of sprinkles. The rest of us should be dry. 8 o'clock, mostly clear all over East Texas, 83, 81 by 9 p.m. So it's looking like it's a warm night. It's a humid night, not as hot as last year, and certainly not as hot as a couple of years ago. Our August high temperatures have been cooling down in the 80s through the middle part of the week. We'll see how today plays out, but 85 yesterday, and that was a cooler than average daytime high. So now we have 5 below average daytime highs. We still have 17 above average daytime highs. Current burn bands, a couple of more burn bands were removed from the map today. Panola County, Shelby County now off the map. We just have Angelina, Sabine, San Augustine counties, and I would expect after the rain that they've seen down there here in the last few days that they may come off this map. Rains and Van Zandt County still on the map, and Kaufman County just dropped from the map. All right, current drought index also released today. Remember, the data is compiled on Tuesday, and then everything is sort of drawn up and I've say compiled on Tuesday, but then it's just sort of the word I'm looking for is just kind of put together, and then they come out with the drought index. So you can see that as we go, most of the western United States is going to be either seeing what we would consider moderate drought or severe drought, and in parts of Texas it's been exceptional drought in those dark red areas. But as we zoom in here on East Texas, you're looking at no drought at all in much of the area. In fact, the yellow is not considered a drought. It's just below average or abnormally dry conditions. And then once we get into moderate drought here across Smith County, parts of Cherokee County, and then you have severe drought just out to the west, and likely why Van Zandt County still is in that burn ban. Anderson and Henderson County were dropped from the burn ban, but they still technically are considered to be in extreme drought. They have a lot more of a rainfall deficit to make up than other parts of East Texas. And the rain chances over the next 7 days, they're up and down here through Sunday, and then they're up Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and even into Thursday, as much as a 50% chance of rain on Wednesday. So we've got a frontal boundary that moves in Monday. That frontal boundary stalls, and that's going to keep us in those scattered showers and thunderstorms. All right, here's future skycast. We'll start this Friday morning. You can see just a couple of sprinkles around, probably more like areas of mist. Then in the afternoon, a few showers bubbling up, kind of like the last couple of days here in East Texas. And then Friday evening at 7:30, there's that little shower in Cherokee County, one going down through Nacogdoches County. So they're moving really east to west. So there'll be a couple of showers out there Saturday afternoon. In the heat of the day, as we make it up closer to 90 degrees, we have these showers and thunderstorms just kind of bubbling up. Instability, that means with the sun setting and the atmosphere starting to stabilize, then those showers sort of wash out, fade away by 9:30. And then Sunday morning, we'll wake up with low clouds, I think some fog in the areas, southerly winds, lots of humidity, temperatures on Sunday closer to 90 degrees. Let's look at the overall upper airflow. This is going to tell us a lot about what's going to happen in the next 7 days. We've got warm conditions spreading across the southern plains, and this will persist. Despite those little afternoon showers, the temperatures are close to 90 degrees and getting a little bit warmer. Then we get into this upper level trough, all right, this little area of low pressure, not little, but large area of low pressure, with the center of that low over North and South Dakota, and that'll drag a cold front into the central and southern plains. And by Wednesday, you're looking at widespread showers and thunderstorms. The low looks like it wants to close off from the main flow. We'll see if this becomes a true cutoff low, or right now just forecast to be a closed low. So as long as it's a closed low, the circulation around that will be counterclockwise. We'll see afternoon showers and thunderstorms that will persist. We know into Thursday, maybe even into Friday of next week. So about 8, 9, 10 days out, we could still be dealing with some showers. Warm tomorrow, 89. Still warm on Saturday, 88. We're close to 90. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, with rain chances increasing Monday into Tuesday. Best chance of rain Wednesday, 85. And then upper 80s as we ring in September. September 1st on Thursday, 89. And then with that closed low kind of hovering overhead, we could see temperatures falling back to the mid-80s by the first weekend of September. All right, rainfall amounts. Well, they're going to range from 1/10 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch across the area. That's in the next 7 days. But if we're going to get it closer to those 3/4 of an inch rainfall totals, that's probably likely going to come Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week. So that's really days 5, 6, and 7. Otherwise, it's looking like you're going to get maybe 1/10 of an inch of rain around the area. I know here's Smith County kind of advertising about a 1/2 inch of rain, 1/4 inch of rain. And again, that likely is not going to happen through the weekend, but would happen on the second half of the 7-day forecast. All right, here's the forecast for tonight. We're going to say mostly clear, 71 at Mount Pleasant, 72 in Pittsburgh, 71 up in Cass County. In Marshall, look for mostly clear skies down to about 75. 75 also in Longview, 74 in Tyler, Jacksonville 74, Palestine up to 72, and Athens around 73 under mainly clear skies. A little bit of fog will be possible over deep East Texas like we saw this morning. We'll have some patchy fog Friday morning. Maybe visibility is dropping to less than 3 miles, maybe to less than a mile in some spots. Crockett down to 73, 72 in Palestine, 73 in Hemphill, Lufkin around 73, and Center around 73. So that's pretty seasonable for this time of the year. The average low is 73 degrees. How about daytime highs tomorrow? We're warming into the upper 80s to around 90 degrees, which is again below average, 89 in Pittsburgh tomorrow, under a partly cloudy sky. Isolated showers will be possible in some of our counties in the center portion of our viewing area, near and south of Interstate 20. So 88 over in Carthage, 90 in Henderson, 88 in Jacksonville, Tyler 89, Athens up to 89, Palestine around 89 degrees. And as we take a look at deep East Texas, we've got temperatures in the upper 80s to around 90 degrees. Nacogdoches near 90, Jacksonville 88, Crockett around 90, Groveton around 90, and Hemphill around 88 degrees. All right, here's the look at the eye on the tropics. Not much going on here in the Gulf of Mexico. We got the Western Atlantic or Eastern Caribbean with about a 0 to 20% chance of having something develop in the next 5 days. And just off the coast of Africa, there's a 10% chance in the next 2 days of a storm developing and a 20% chance of having a named storm in the next 5 days. So right now, we continue to sit in the Atlantic Basin tropical systems. We have Alex, Bonnie, and Colin. We're waiting for Danielle and Earl to be named, and those 2 storms in the Atlantic would be the next 2 named storms up. All right, here's your Braille Scott and White Texas Spine and Joint Hospital 10-day forecast. Isolated showers then tomorrow, a 30% chance with a high temperature of 89. 88 on Saturday with scattered thunderstorms. Partly cloudy, warm and humid Sunday up to 89. Monday, evening thunderstorms near 90. Tuesday, scattered thunderstorms near 90. Best chance of rain Wednesday, 85. And then Thursday, the best chance comes in the morning. And then again, Friday night, 88 with a 50% chance of rain and a few thunderstorms continuing into the first week of September. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. Have a great night.